So, welcome to the first tutorial on using RobotStudio. RobotStudio is a powerful PC application for simulating a real working robot environment. It's built on the ABB virtual controller, which is an exact copy of the software that is used to run robots in real life and allows robot programming to be done on a PC. In the upcoming basic tutorials, we'll be looking at navigating our way around RobotStudio, importing a robot into the environment. So first off, we're going to create a solution with a built-in station and virtual controller. This will create a working folder to store our environment that we'll be working in, along with the controller that we'll be using to program the robot. The robot that we'll be using is an IRB 120 arm, as you can see specified in the controller options. This is what we see for the first time opening up the station. We have the view window with the arm positioned in the center of the workspace. The position of the arm is currently at the origin, so that's the point 000 in the workspace. Any points that we create from now will be referenced based on this origin, and you'll see it referenced as world. You can also see the X, Y, and Z axes at the bottom left of the view, which indicates the positive directions of the axes. To navigate around the workspace, we'll be using the mouse. So, to rotate around the screen, you hold down the middle mouse button and right-click button and move as shown. To pan across the screen, you hold down Control and use the left mouse button to move across. To zoom, you simply use the middle mouse button to scroll in and out. Next, we're going to look at manipulating the joints of the arm itself. There are 7 links in the arm and 6 joints connecting every subsequent link together. To manipulate the joints, we click on this button called Jog Joint. This is the base link, and this is connected to link 1 through the first joint. By dragging link 1, you can see the arm rotating around the base link. The same rotation can be seen with all of the other joints as shown. The coordinate frame you see at the end of the arm is the TCP, or the tool center point. This has a particular position and orientation compared to the origin frame. You can manipulate the TCP of the entire arm using Jog Joint. You can also manipulate the arm to move the TCP in a linear direction using the Jog Linear button. As you can see, this allows you to move the TCP in all 3 axes. What the arm is actually doing is calculating the joint angles of each joint in real time, while the arm is being moved, so that the TCP moves in the required direction. You can also rotate around the TCP using the Jog Reorient button. Have a go at using the Jog buttons to move the arm yourself, and get used to navigating your way around the workspace. In the next tutorial, we'll look at adding a tool to the arm and creating a simple motion path.